Looking for the perfect miter saw to elevate your woodworking game? Join us as we dive into the best miter saws of 2024. From powerful motors to precise cuts, we've got you covered. Let's find the ideal tool for your projects. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Bosch GCM 12SD 12-inch dual bevel glide miter saw. This miter saw stands out with its sliding arm, allowing cuts up to 14 inches wide. It includes pull-out supports for stabilizing boards up to 40 inches long and can cut compound bevels in both directions. The saw features a clear guard that doesn't obstruct the view of your cut, and the ergonomic trigger handle is comfortable for both right and left-handed users with a padded non-slip grip. Adjustable fences and stainless steel miter scale numbers enhance durability and precision. During testing, the Bosch saw impressed with its zero-clearance sliding arm, enabling accurate cuts even against walls. It requires no assembly, offers excellent dust collection, and has a powerful motor. However, it's a bit heavy to move around and lacks lasers or lights. Number 2. DeWalt 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. For those seeking a versatile miter saw, the DeWalt 12-inch sliding miter saw is a strong contender. Equipped with a robust 15-amp motor, it can handle boards up to 16 inches wide thanks to its sliding rails. Its dual compound action allows for easy angle cuts without flipping the board. Simply tilt the blade arm in the other direction. The saw features a bright LED light that illuminates the cutting area for precise work, though it lacks a laser guide. It also includes a dust collection bag that captures up to 75% of the dust generated. During testing, the DeWalt saw excelled with its powerful motor and large cutting capacity. While it requires ample space for the sliding rails and uses a locking lever for quick angle adjustments instead of a knob, it proved to be a reliable and effective tool. Number 3. Craftsman 520 cordless 7¼ inch sliding miter saw kit. This miter saw stands out for its compact size and lightweight design, making it easy to handle and transport. It's particularly useful for locations without electricity, as it operates on a powerful lithium-ion battery. One charge allows up to 585 cuts through 3¼ inch medium-density fiberboard, and it comes with a 20-volt rechargeable battery and charger. Equipped with a motor that spins the blade at 3,800 RPM, the V20 excels at cutting wall studs, baseboards, and molding. It also features a sliding mechanism to handle boards up to 8 inches wide. Despite its 31-pound weight and numerous plastic components, the saw was easy to assemble, performed well, and operated quietly. It's ideal for trim work or flooring projects, though it has only a single bevel action rather than a dual bevel. Number 4. Rigid 18-volt 7¼ inch dual bevel sliding miter saw. Weighing just 24 pounds and featuring sturdy carry handles, the rigid miter saw is easy to transport to various job sites. Its cordless design offers the convenience of working without being tethered to an electrical outlet, making it versatile for different locations. However, the handle is more comfortable for right-handed users, which can be a bit awkward for left-handed operators. The 7¼ inch blade size is slightly limiting in terms of board width, but it's compatible with blades from a 7¼ inch circular saw. Despite this, the sliding arm provides flexibility for longer cuts. During testing, the saw excelled at cutting trim, base, crown molding, and smaller boards, though it needs to be bolted down for stability. The dust collection bag was less effective than desired, but attaching a shop vac hose improved dust control. The saw consistently delivered clean, precise cuts, and the 18-volt 4-amp-hour battery showed no signs of depletion even after an hour of use. The built-in LED light enhances visibility, making this saw a reliable choice for remote projects and trim work, although it's not suited for large timbers. Number 5. Makita LS0815 f8.5 inches. Slide compound miter saw. For woodworkers needing a reliable miter saw for the workshop or job site, the Makita tool stands out. It can cut boards up to 12 inches wide and includes pull-out material stabilizers for added support. At just 31 pounds, it's portable and can be bolted to a work table for stability. The saw features a dust collection port, a trigger brake for added safety, and a soft start function to reduce movement and enhance accuracy. It also cuts bevels in both directions. The smaller blade size reduces deflection compared to larger blades, and the motor delivers strong performance. However, the soft start function felt a bit rough, and the blade does not tilt to the right, which limits its versatility. Despite these minor drawbacks, it's an excellent choice for precision and ease of use. So, which miter saw reigns supreme in 2024? After careful consideration, the Bosch GCM 12 SD 12-inch dual bevel glide miter saw takes the crown. Its accuracy, power, and versatility make it a top choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts.